Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase in the UK. Start by visiting the Coinbase website or downloading the mobile app. You'll need to create an account using your email and a secure password. After verifying your email, the next crucial step is identity verification, which typically involves uploading a photo of your government-issued ID and a selfie. This process helps ensure security and compliance. Finally, link your UK bank account or debit card to easily deposit and withdraw funds, preparing you for your first cryptocurrency purchase. Once your account is set up, funding it is straightforward. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section and select Deposit. You can choose to deposit funds via a bank transfer, which is often the most cost-effective method in the UK. Simply enter the desired amount, review the details, and confirm the transaction. Bank transfers usually take between 1 and 3 business days to clear, making your funds available for trading. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. From the main dashboard, select the asset you wish to trade, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell, either in Great British Pounds or the cryptocurrency itself. Always review the transaction fees, which are typically around 1.49% for instant buys, before confirming your order. Your new crypto will then be instantly added to your Coinbase wallet. When you're ready to withdraw your funds, the process is simple. Go to your portfolio and select the Withdraw option. You can convert your cryptocurrency back into Great British Pounds and then transfer it to your linked UK bank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, confirm the details, and initiate the transfer. Withdrawals typically take between 1 and 3 business days to reach your bank account, providing a secure way to access your earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.